Good morning, students. In the first video on transportation problems, I have shared the basic introduction of the chapter. Starting with the practical problems, this is the type of the matrix which is being prepared. Either it would be given in the question or you have to prepare the matrix as it is. For example, there are three factories F1, F2 and F3, and this is the capacity. F1, the capacity is 7 units. Now units could be anything. F2 is 9 units, F3 is 18 units. Similarly, we do have warehouses W1, W2, W3, W4, where the requirement is 5 units, 8 units, 7 units and 14 units respectively. So this is the matrix. In this case, F1, W1, let it be if you want to transport your goods which are being manufactured in factory 1 to warehouse 1, the transportation cost per unit is 19 rupees. In the same way, if you are going to move goods from F1 to W2, the transportation cost per unit is 30 rupees per unit. Similarly, the transportation cost is given in each cell regarding the transportation cost of that particular factory and that warehouse. 70 is for F2 and W1. This is the total capacity of the factory जितना वो manufacture करते हैं. This is the total requirement of the warehouse. That means कितना वो वहाँ पे store कर सकते हैं. So when we are talking about any of the goods movement, we neither can supply the goods more than the capacity, nor we can store the goods more than our requirement. Requirement means the place in the warehouse. When we are talking about the warehouse, the problem is said to be balanced when requirement is equal to capacity. See here, the total of all the three rows, F1, F2, F3, that is 34. Similarly, the total for the requirements, that is also 34. This is the balance problem. This is the first condition when we want to solve this transportation problem, that the problem is balanced. If it is unbalanced, we are going to add dummy. That we would be covering in the second video. Now, I would be applying northwest corner method in this case. Northwest corner method, or that is the first method of initial feasible solution, IBFS, that I have already discussed in the previous video. Let it be, when we are talking about this northwest corner method, start from the first cell. First cell is F1, W1. Now in this case, this row total as well as the column total is indicated. We are going to start with this cell. The allocation now which you can put is 5. You have to see both the totals, 5 as well as 7. Out of both these total, you have to place the minimum value. It cannot exceed. Now, जिस चीज की भी requirement या capacity, whatever thing is fulfilled, वो बाकी के उसको cross करना है. ठीक है. In this case, we are just adjusting. Now, in this case, F1, the warehouse 1, it was having the requirement for 5 units. And those 5 units are being supplied by factory 1. So, in this case, warehouse 1 does not require any other units, any more units from F2 or F3. So, we have crossed it. Now, in this case, the remaining is 2. Now, एक आपका रास्ता बंद हो जाएगा, दूसरा रास्ता आपका खुला होएगा. तो दिस इज क्रॉस एंड वी आर मूविंग टू दिस सेकेंड सेल. नाउ व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस सेल, कितने यूनिट्स यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं? ईदर 2 और 8, बिकॉज 7 में से 5 ऑलरेडी डल चुके हैं. ईदर 2 और 8. तो यहाँ पे वी आर पुटिंग 2 एंड दिस कैपेसिटी इज फिनिश्ड. वी डोंट रिक्वायर मोर. ठीक है, किसी और को सेंड करने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. फॉर F1 के लिए their 7 जो capacity थी, that has been satisfied over here. Now we move this way. One of the directions will be completed and the other way will be open for you. Now in this case, out of 8, 2 have already been used. So remaining is 6. तो दिस 6 वी कैन पुट ओवर हियर. अगेन 8 की रिक्वायरमेंट खत्म हो गई है. दिस इज क्रॉस. अगेन इस तरफ जब मूव कर रहे हो 6 यहां से ऑलरेडी डल चुका है, 3 यहां पे प्लेस किया एंड दिस इज क्रॉस. अगेन वी आर मूविंग डाउनवर्ड्स 3 एंड द बैलेंस फिगर इज 4. 3 plus 4 7. This is again done. 4 plus 14 is 18. ठीक है. Now just check it capacity as well as requirement wise. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 3 is 9. 4 plus 14 is 18. And similarly 5, 2 plus 6 8, 3 plus 4 7 and 14. So in this case we have solved this problem as per this northwest corner method. When we want to calculate the cost, in this case the IBF, initial basic feasible solution, it would be 19 into 5 plus 30 into 2 plus 30 into 6 plus 40 into 3 plus 70 into 4 plus 20 into 14. So in this case just calculate the cost. I hope so it is going to be 1015. Just check it once. ठीक है. I will be coming with the next question. Just go through it, and if you are having any problems, just do message or post whatever you are feeling comfortable.